Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing chocolate chip shortbread, which is a buttery biscuit packed with mini chocolate chips that just melts in your mouth. It's perfect for family occasions and best baked to go with your afternoon cup of tea. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped, and make sure that all of them are at room temperature. Preparation. Line a baking tray with parchment paper or greaseproof paper and preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Method. Add the butter and the sugar to a large mixing bowl. Whisk until the mixture is light and creamy. Now add in the vanilla extract and again whisk for a couple of seconds. Sift in the all-purpose flour, rice flour and the salt. Note, add salt only if needed. Using a spatula, fold in the flour. Now add in the mini chocolate chips. Remember, pack in as much as you like and gently mix. Using your hands, bring it together to form a dough. Then cover with cling film and refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove from the fridge and roll out the dough a 1/4 of an inch thick. Cut the dough into squares using a cookie cutter or a knife. Repeat the process of rolling out the remaining dough and cutting into squares, and then place the cutout squares on a prepared baking tray. Use a fork to make a pattern of holes. Now bake in a preheated oven for 18 to 20 minutes or until lightly golden. When done, remove from the oven and allow to cool for a few minutes on the tray, then transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely. You have the option at this point to pipe or drizzle melted chocolate over the shortbread biscuit if you wish, and it's best served with an afternoon cup of tea. You can store the rest in an airtight container at room temperature. So there you have it, lovely chocolate chip shortbread, which is a buttery biscuit packed with mini chocolate chips that just melts in your mouth. So thank you for stopping by. Give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other biscuit recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.